New Yungblud song came out this morning. It's called Strawberry Lipstick, and I'm going to show you how to play it. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section, and subscribe, because when this album comes out, I'm definitely going to be doing a bunch of songs from it. Enjoy. So the first part of the song is made up of 3 power chords, the first of which is an F power chord. So you're going to place your pointer finger on the first fret of the low E string, your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A string, and your pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the D string. Next is a G power chord, so we're just going to take that shape and move it up 2 frets. And then last is a C power chord, so you're going to take the G power chord and move it over 1 string to the A string. And when we put it all together, it sounds like this. So this next part is made up of 5 chords, the first of which is a D power chord. So the same shape that we learned before on the 5th fret of the A string. Next is a power chord, so the D power chord moved down to the low E string. Next is a B flat power chord, so you're just going to move the A power chord up 1 fret. Next is a F power chord, which we already learned. And then next is also a F power chord, but we're going to play it up here on the 8th fret of the A string. And all put together, it sounds like this. So for the ending, we're going to do the same chord progression that we learned in the chorus, except we're going to stay on the B flat power chord a little bit longer. It sounds like this. Now the solo. So you're going to start on the 10th fret of the B string, then 12th fret G string, 10th fret G string, 10th fret D string, 12th fret D string, 10th fret G string, 12th fret D string again, then 10th fret G string, then 10th fret B string, 12th fret G string, 10th fret G string. Then you're going to place your pointer finger on the 10th fret of the high E string and your ring finger on the 13th fret of the B string, and you're going to bend the B string. Then back to the 10th fret of the B string, 12th fret G string, 10th fret G string. Then you're going to bend the 13th fret of the B string, then 12th fret D string, 10th fret G string, 12th fret D string again. Then you're going to place your pointer finger on the 10th fret of the B string and your ring finger on the 12th fret of the G string, and you're going to bend the G string. And then you're going to do it again. And you're going to place your pointer finger on the 13th fret of the B string, 10th fret B string, back to the 13th fret of the B string. Then you're going to slide up to the 16th fret of the B string. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for Strawberry Lipstick. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section, and subscribe for more lessons from the full release. Thanks.